In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize card on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, how to design your card, and what to expect from order to activation. Make sure your Revolut app is updated and you're connected to a stable internet network so everything loads smoothly. Start by opening the Revolut app. If you haven't used it in a while, take a second to allow any prompts or updates to complete. This helps ensure all card options and prices display correctly based on your region and plan. From the home screen, head to the Cards tab. You'll find it in the bottom menu. This is where all your physical and virtual cards live, and it's the control center for ordering, managing, and securing them. Now tap Get New Card. If you already have a card, don't worry. Revolut lets you add another. To personalize a physical card, select a physical option here. Virtual cards are great for online use, but personalization typically applies to the card you'll have in your wallet. Next, customize your design. You'll see the available styles for your plan. These may include different colors, materials, or special editions. If monogram or engraving is offered, keep it short, clean, and free of any sensitive details. Review the preview carefully. Check spelling, letter spacing, and how your name will appear. Some premium finishes or limited designs may have an extra fee, and availability can vary by region. Keep practicality in mind too. High contrast designs are easier to read at a glance. When you're happy, move on to confirmation and payment. Review the breakdown, card price, personalization fee if any, and delivery cost. Double check your delivery address and select a shipping speed that suits your timeline. Confirm the payment method, usually your Revolut balance or a linked card, and make sure the currency and final total look right. Before you place the order, verify that the name printed on the card matches your account details. After ordering, wait for delivery. You can usually track the status in the Cards tab. Estimated dates are just that, estimates. So keep an eye on any in-app notifications for updates or courier info. Once it arrives, activate your card. Open the Cards tab, select your new card, and follow the on-screen activate prompts. You may be asked to set or confirm a PIN, and in some regions, completing a first chip and PIN purchase finalizes activation. After that, you're good to go. That's it. Your personalized Revolut card is ready. If this helped, follow along for more simple app how-tos.